Are you ready to discover a secret that's been hidden for centuries? A secret that has the power to transform your well-being from the inside out. Today, we are diving into the world of an extraordinary tea that holds incredible benefits for your brain, body, and soul. Get ready to awaken your senses and embark on a journey like no other. This isn't your average cup of tea. It's bold, it's fiery, and it's grown in the heart of Cambodia. Kampot pepper tea, once a secret of Khmer healers, is now making waves in the wellness world. But what actually happens when you drink it every day? Let's brew some magic and find out together. Imagine sipping a fragrant brew that not only warms your body but also ignites a powerful transformation within. That's precisely what awaits you with Kampot Tepech. Picture this, you're starting your day with a cup of steaming tea. As the aroma fills your senses, you take a sip and feel an invigorating tingle. It's a sensation that quickly spreads through your body, rousing you from your slumber and awakening your mind. Let's start with your brain. Kampot pepper contains piperine, a compound that boosts serotonin and dopamine. Translation: you feel more alert, focused, and even a little happier. Some studies suggest it may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and brain fog. So yes, your morning tea could be your new mental clarity ritual. And the magic doesn't stop there. Kampot Techo's benefits extend far beyond your cup. Imagine feeling more energized throughout the day, tackling your tasks with renewed vigor and focus. Say goodbye to sluggishness and hello to productivity. Whether you're hitting the books, working on a creative project, or simply looking to sharpen your mind, this tea is your secret weapon. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your brain, urging it to perform at its best. Now let's pour some sunshine into your day. Picture yourself basking in the glow of improved mood. That's right. Cambodia's Kampot pepper tea may just be the natural mood booster you've been waiting for. Imagine starting your day with a smile, facing challenges with optimism and finding joy in the little things. It's like having a personal sunshine, warming your heart and illuminating your path. Feeling sluggish? No worries. This magical tea may give your metabolism a gentle nudge in the right direction. Piperine has thermogenic properties. It gently raises your body temperature, helping you burn calories more efficiently. Wow! Imagine sipping your way to a healthier metabolism. It's like having a personal trainer, but without the crunches and push-ups. And here's a bonus. Combine it with moringa or ginger, and you've got a fat-burning powerhouse. That's like having a turbo boost for your metabolism. Now let's talk immunity. Kampot pepper is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Daily consumption may help your body fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and even support gut health. It's like giving your immune system a daily tune-up with zero chemicals. Imagine staying healthy and vibrant all year round by simply sipping this magical brew. It's like having a personal wellness guardian, shielding you from ailments and keeping you in tip-top shape. We've explored the fascinating effects of Cambodia's Kampot pepper tea on your brain, metabolism, and immunity. Now let's pour one more cup for your heart health. This tea may just be the liquid gold your cardiovascular system has been waiting for. Imagine sipping your way to a healthier heart. It's like having a personal heart healer, ensuring that every beat is strong and steady. But remember, while Cambodia's Kampot pepper tea offers incredible benefits, it's important to enjoy it in moderation. Too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to stomach irritation or even raise your blood pressure. Start slow, 1 cup a day, preferably after meals, and watch as your body responds with gratitude. Oh, and if you're pregnant or have ulcers, don't worry, just give your doctor a quick chat before brewing. In conclusion, what happens when you drink Cambodia's Kampot pepper tea every day? You awaken your senses, fire up your metabolism, and give your body a natural defense boost. All from a humble flower grown in Cambodia's red soil. It's more than a drink. It's a ritual, a connection to tradition, and a toast to your well-being. Are you ready to take the first sip of your wellness journey? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs a wellness upgrade. And let me know in the comments, have you tried Cambodia's Kampot pepper tea yet? Share your experiences and let the world know about this amazing beverage. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep sipping your way to a better you.